Greetings, Dan Stanius here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install new applications on Xenialpup. This is Dell Studio 1727, 4 gigs of RAM, 64-bit. I'm running Xenialpup on a USB flash drive, 2 gig flash drive, but Xenialpup I think is 300 meg, so there's lots of space left over. Let's go ahead and install some applications on Xenialpup. On the desktop you'll see there's an icon called Quick Pet. One click and click on, we'll go ahead and do the Xenialpup updates just to get the newest software for Xenialpup, and away it goes, updated, and it's done. And let's go ahead and install a new browser. I'm going to install Google Chrome. Click on that, and it loads Pale Moon as the default browser. But I'm going to go ahead and download Chrome. You can see that over there. Scroll down, accept and install. Open with PetGit is what it says. Click OK. 51 megabytes. It's saying that the download is going to take 26 minutes, which is very unusual. Normally my network is, I usually get 10 megabytes a second. So I'm going to pause while we wait for my internet. Okay, it looked like there was just a internet burp. The network picked up speed right after I paused. Now we are back, and I click on the yes button right here to install Google Chrome 64. Again, this is Xenialpup on 4 gigs of RAM on a 64-bit Dell Studio 1727. Click OK, and now when I go to the menu down here, Internet, well, it should show Google Chrome, but it's not. So let's go ahead and give the machine a second to think about it. One more time. There it is, Google Chrome web browser. And despite the hiccup on the network, 3 minutes later we're on Google Chrome. Okay, thanks for watching and happy computing.